Welcome to JLab Audio here in Carlsbad, California.
Hello.
I'm Terra, Teat, VP of Marketing.
And I'm Cramer, CEO.
And we're here to talk about the Epic Air Elite True Wireless Earbuds. So a few years ago, we launched our Epic Air True Wireless, and here we are with our second generation, Epic Air Elite. And we'll talk about a bunch of the upgrades that we added to this product. So let's get into it.
Yeah, lots of great enhancements. I'm excited to talk about it.
So one of the first things we focused on was the battery life.
Yeah, we increased the battery life in the case. So the battery size went from 2200 milliamp to 2600 milliamp, so you get 2 to 4 extra hours of charging in the case. But I think even more importantly than that, this is the only true wireless case on the market that you can charge your phone from. So adding 400 milliamps more to the case allows you to really charge your phone and get that much more juice while you're on the go.
Yep. Yeah, and it's nice because it's got the included charging cable.
Yep.
And then if you charge out, you plug it in here and
full-size USB to charge out.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
It's a great feature. The earbuds themselves have a 6-hour battery life, and that's at medium volume, which is the best that's out there.
Yeah, still the best out there. 120 milliamp battery in each earbud, the largest in the market, which gives the longest playtime in the market.
Another feature that we upgraded with the Epic Air Elite is the connection. So talk a little bit about the new technology we used in the connection.
Yeah, we transitioned from a Class 2 connection to a Class 1 connection. We did this by changing chipset suppliers and really working with the antenna, tweaking it, ensuring that connection from both the earbud to your phone and earbud to earbud was as strong as it could be. So that Class 1 connection, make sure that you never have that skip or drop out. If you had your historically with any true wireless earbud, AirPods, Bragi, etc., you had to generally keep your phone on the same side of your body that was connected to the earbud. With the new Epic Air Elite, your phone can be just about anywhere, and you're not going to have that skip or cut out. And then the connection between the two is super strong, so you can do really any fitness activity and never skip a beat.
Yeah, and then we also upgraded changed the connectivity when you first take it out.
We ensured that auto connect was a very important feature for us. What that does is after you connect the first time, anytime you take the earbuds back out of the case, that automatically syncs to each other, automatically syncs to your phone, so you can just start going.
We also did a lot with the sound in the product. So 2 new technologies.
2 new things with sound. The first I'll talk about, which we call Be Aware Audio. And what this allows a customer to do is activate the external mics so they can hear what's happening around them. Now, these being a fitness earbud that are in ear, the seal is really, really strong because the fit is so good. But customers ask, they're like, hey, I still want to hear my surroundings if I'm running or riding a bike. So we made a way where it activates the mics. And you can hear a car honk, you can hear somebody holler at you or yell at you above the music, so you can be aware of your surroundings.
Yeah, that's great. I know that was a fitness-focused kind of example.
Yep.
I've used it just in like an everyday use where you're like at the airport and you want to hear flight updates, but you still want to listen to your music. You don't want to take them on, off. So it's a great feature to turn on if you want to hear those updates and still.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's almost conversational. So you don't have to take your earbuds out. You can activate this feature and have a conversation without taking the earbuds out of your ears, which is fantastic.
Yep.
And the next audio feature that we added to the Epic Air Elite was Eq3. And what that does, it allows you to cycle through various EQ settings without the use of an app. So it's all hardware based. You touch the touch sensors and it'll cycle through 3 different settings: JLab signature, balanced, and bass boost. So you can really have a sound that is customized to you and your preference.
Yep. Yeah, talk a little bit about the 3 sound curves that we use in good uses for those.
Yeah, so generally speaking, I prefer the JLab signature just with any type of music. So from rock to pop, it's a really good basic signature for any music type. You transition to the balance sound, and that's really good for podcasts or for audiobooks because it's neutral, so there's no increased bass or treble, and you don't have any of that sound as you're listening to voice come across the earbuds. And then bass boost is just awesome for working out. It really gives you that extra oomph. It's rad with hip hop. Just gives that true bass feeling that can keep you going.
Yep. And then an additional update we did with this product was for phone calls.
Yeah, so the original Epic Air would only allow phone calls through one earbud, which is personally what I liked, but customers came to us and they really wanted to have phone calls in both ears while they were taking a call. So we made the enhancement to ensure that when you're taking a phone call now, both earbuds will have the sound coming through them versus just a single like the Epic Air.
Great.
Yeah.
So the Epic Air Elite also focuses on getting a good fit. It's focused on sport. So let's talk about some of the inclusions in the package that people will get.
Yeah, certainly. So, first and foremost, when you look at the Epic Air Elite earbuds, it has the same great fit as the original Epic. So we have this nicely shaped ear hook that goes around the ear to secure the product in your ear. We made it even more ergonomic based on customer feedback, so the fit is even better. And then we include multiple tips in the package.
Yep.
So we have a variety of tips to really fit a number of different ears. And we included as well for the first time our cloud foam memory foam ear tip, which is a foam-based tip versus a silicone gel. So you can squeeze this and put it in your ear and it expands and really isolates what you're doing. First time we put this in a box with this product, we're really excited about it.
Yep. Yeah, it's a definite upgrade.
Yeah, for sure.
So the Epic Air Elite are also great for working out. Do you want to talk about sweatproof a little?
Yeah, I mean, obviously these are a fitness-inspired earbud, especially with the hooks. And in making it a fitness-inspired earbud, we had to ensure that it was sweat-proof and waterproof. This is tested to IP55, which means you can really get it wet, run in the rain, rinse them off when you're done, and dry them off and then put them back in the case without a worry that they will go bad on you.
Great. So with all of these features, the Epic Air Elite is around $150.
Yep.
Available on our website, Amazon, and Best Buy.
Yep.
But we also upgraded the warranty, so it's now got a 2-year warranty.
Yeah, we wanted to ensure that our customers were confident in the product. So we felt very strongly that a 2-year warranty would help convey that message. So we actually put it on this product, and all of our Bluetooth items now include a 2-year warranty.
That's great.
Yeah.
So any other updates or upgrades that we can talk about from the original Epic Air to the second generation?
Yeah, I mean, we've hit on the high points certainly, but I mean, there's so many different enhancements to this product now. It's tough to mention them all. But one last I'll leave with is we've enhanced the UI, so we've made it even easier to use and ensured that even more features are baked in. Personally, I don't like apps that go with hardware. I prefer everything to be baked into the hardware so you don't have to pull your phone out of your pocket to make something happen. So the UI is super easy. A simple change like changing volume to a click versus long pause. We made that change in this product versus Epic Air. It was a massive change, but something that customers asked for, and we were happy to deliver for them. But lots of cool features and enhancements with this over the Epic Air, and excited for customers to be able to use it. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with us today. We certainly hope you learned something about our new JLab Audio Epic Air Elite True Wireless Earbuds. Please feel free to leave a comment below or on our website, jlabaudio.com. And we look forward to communicating with you and teaching you even more about this awesome product. Thank you very much.
Bye.